Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be going over how you could change your language on your Amazon shopping app and on the browser version. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, as you probably know, Amazon is one of the biggest companies in the world, and it is a giant online marketplace on which you can buy pretty much anything of your heart's desire. Of course, that's legal, and which is actually being sold by Amazon sellers. Now, first and foremost, to actually change your language, I don't know if you need an account. I'm pretty sure you do not. However, just make an account, open an account. It really doesn't cost you anything, except maybe your information will be online. Maybe you don't want that. However, if you're watching this video, you probably already have an account. But yeah, to change your language, as you can see, I am on my web browser version. The process is pretty similar, if not exactly the same, for the mobile version as well. So by following this video and this tutorial, you will most likely be able to do this on any platform which you choose. So yeah, but yeah, once you are on the website, as you can see, as I am just on the home page, nothing complicated. What you want to do is navigate to your search bar, as you can see here up on the top, and just to the right of it is your language drop down list. Now, just by hovering over it, it will give you a list of any available languages. As you can see, in my region, I guess it is region dependent, I have English, Spanish, Arabic, German, this is Hebrew, Korean, Portuguese, these are both Chinese, I think it's Cantonese and traditional, or Cantonese and Mandarin, and those are the languages available to me. You might have Indian available to you as well. I think that might be a separate site. However, yeah, just select any one of these and your country, well, and your language will be changed. You can also change your country and region, so you might unlock more languages this way, but that is pretty much how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.